Hello, I'm Priscilla from Yealink. Yealink has been the global leader for flip phones for years. We have kept refining what a wonderful desk phone should be for over 2 decades. After the success of T4 and T5 series, it's time for something smarter, something sharper. Let me show you what makes our brand new T7 and T8 series so exciting. As you can see, these are our new T7 and T8 series. We can take a look at its design. We have made the body even slimmer, the display larger and more adjustable. And look at these keys. They are touchable and intuitive. What about the hinge? It's invisible and more flexible for any angle, satisfying for your needs. And yes, there's a red emergency button here, super satisfying to press, as well as the antibacterial handset and keypad are exclusive to all T8 series. Flip it around and you will see what we have added. Both USB-A and USB-C ports. So you can do more, like plug in a sidecar EXP55 for more extensions, a DEC dongle for wireless handsets, or a USB headset. Simple, flexible, ready for anything your workday throws at you. And here is something we are really proud of. The packaging is greener and the phones are built with recycled plastics. Plus, there is a power-saving mode to help reduce energy waste. So they are not just smarter, they are also more sustainable. Now that we have had a close look at the sleek design and premium feel of the T7 and T8 series, there is one more thing we have to talk about next: the extraordinary audio. So let's dive into what makes the T7 and T8 sound so much better for every call, every voice, every space. Whether it's a call center or a buzzing open office like this one, background noise is everywhere. And staying focused in calls can be, well, a challenge. We are surrounded by all kinds of noise: loud conversations, the endless typing, sliding chairs, things clattering on the floor. It's distracting, and it hurts the quality of every call. That's why the T8 series come equipped with something powerful: AI noise cancellation. It actively filters out background noise so your voice stays clear even in the middle of chaos. Let's try it. Here is the T85W on speaker mode. Crystal clear, even with all that noise around me. Amazing, right? And it gets even better. We have added a built-in acoustic shield so your microphone acts like a personal sound booth. Your voice is captured clean, your background disappears. And we didn't stop there. We upgraded the volume too. With a 3-watt 4-inch speaker, you get louder, fuller audio. Perfect for busy teams and hands-free calls.
Hi there, how's your day? Can you hear me clearly?
Hi, I'm fine. Yes, very clearly. So with T7 and T8 series, noisy spaces, not a problem anymore. And when you can hear clearly, the next thing that matters is security. Let's talk about that. The T7 and T8 series are built with security as your core, featuring the comprehensive 3 rings of security framework. At the center lies the first ring, the core ring, which focuses on device integrity. Surrounding is the second ring, the shield ring, dedicated to network protection. Enclosing both is the third ring, the guard ring, ensuring transmission security. The core ring acts as the first line of defense, protecting the device itself from tampering, unauthorized access, and potential physical threats. ensuring the integrity and trustworthiness of your phone at all times. With trusted execution environment, secure boot, integrity verification, firmware encryption, and signature certificate, it ensures integrity from startup to operation. The Shield ring fortifies your network connections by guarding against cyber attacks, unauthorized intrusions, and malicious activities, providing a secure and stable communication environment. Using 802.1x authentication, WPA3 encryption plus protections against script input injections and cross-site attacks, as well as content security policy, it secures wired and wireless communications. The Guard ring delivers end-to-end transmitter security, safeguarding your calls, media streams, and sensitive data both during transit and while stored, preventing eavesdropping and data leaks. Through TLS 1.3, strong cyber suites, SRTP media protection, lock icon, and encrypted configuration file, it keeps communications private and secure. Together, these three rings create a robust security ecosystem that keeps your communications private, your devices protected, and your business resilient in an ever-evolving threat landscape. Hello, this is Priscilla speaking. The boss is in another meeting right now. Okay, so this sounds private. I will just transfer the call for you. As you can see, our T7 and T8 series support fluent feature of call transfer. Now, for frequent contacts, there is speed dial. No need to scroll or search. Just tap to call. As a sales manager, I talk to different customers every day, some using very different user platforms, and that used to mean switching devices, adjusting audio, are really a hassle. But now, I don't need to switch platforms anymore. Just use device mode with one USB-C cable connecting my desk phone to my laptop and simply enjoy the crystal clear sound and a much better mic. Hello guys, let's have a quick review of Q3 sales performance here. Still here? It's already getting dark outside, so let's switch dark mode. It's a bit easier on the eyes, perfect for evenings when the ambient light starts to fade. And if you need a little more clarity, accessibility mode enlarges text and simplifies the interface. And yes, it even pairs with hearing aids, so every call stays crisp and easy. But what if something goes wrong? Just press the dedicated alarm key, and the help is alerted instantly. And with group paging, messages go out to everyone at once, no delay. So we have seen how the T7 and T8 series support smarter workflows across platforms, roles, and work scenarios. But a truly flexible phone doesn't stop at what's on the screen. Let's take a look at how they connect with the world around them through smart accessories, wireless options, and seamless device integration. And speaking of smart, setup is just as simple. Just one cable for power and that's it. Everything turns on, connects, and gets to work automatically. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, even a small studio or Soho setup can deploy without complex cabling. It's really efficient and helps cut down installation costs. And right now, this desk phone is synced with my mobile phone via Bluetooth. All my contacts are right here. And look, that's my phone calling. Hey, speaking. Yes, very nice. I'm just going to grab some water here. Yes, really thanks to this handset, I can just have this call with you. No limits, no calls, just clear calls, wherever I go. So whether it's Wi-Fi 6 or Bluetooth 5, the T7 and T8 series are built for flexible connectivity in every kind of workspace. Backed by Yealink's trusted ecosystem of global partners, they are designed to fit into your tools, your habits, and your day-to-day workflow. That wraps up our look at the new T7 and T8 series. Smarter, sharper, and ready for real work. Time to reign in your smart zone with Yealink's new T7 and T8 desk phone.